बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू बॉयज हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल तारफपुरा। डियर स्टूडेंट, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो टॉपिक है लोकोमोशन एंड मोमेंट्स में मोमेंट एंड प्रोटोजोन्स, क्लास 11th ज़ालजी है ये। प्रोटोजोआ एक्सहिबिट्स बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ लोकोमोशंस। यानी जो प्रोटोजोन्स हैं ये 3 टाइप, यानी 3 टाइप कर हरकत, 3 टाइप लोकोमोशन कर। नंबर 1 एमोबॉइड, नंबर 2 फ्लैजुलर एंड 3 सीलियरी। नंबर 3 सीलियरी मोमेंट। यानी यम प्रोटोजोन्स हम 3 किस्म मोमेंट कर, एमोबॉइड, फ्लैजुलर एंड सीलियरी मोमेंट। तो एमोबॉइड मोमेंट is characterized by formation of temporary projections of the cell called pseudopodia। अगर तो एमोबॉइड वुचमुत तो मैट्रिक क्लास मज अमिस प्रोजेक्शन अमिस बॉडी मज यमन जन pseudopodia वन। pseudopodia एमोबॉइड मोमेंट is best seen in amoeba। एमोबास मज वुचने एमोबॉइड मोमेंट। यमस प्रोजेक्शन यपर pseudopodia वन। अमो सत्य मोमेंट कर। एमोबा प्रोड्यूस a definite anterior end which is at the point where new pseudopodia are about to form. In the region the cytoplasm remains different and the peripheral layer of viscous plasma gel, that is ectoplasm, and an inner more fluid plasmazole endoplasm. Locomotion is brought about by alternate changes in the colloidal state. Colloidal state is इस पर यह पके सूद पकान कि बल्कि कोलाइडल नेम किस्म पकान। कोलाइडल पकान। अगर अमिस कुछ साथ फॉरवर्ड फॉरवर्ड कुछ साथ अति गुन बैकवर्ड इमीडिएट फेरान कोलाइडल बैकवर्ड वापस। Locomotion is brought about by alternate changes in the colloidal state of the cytoplasm affected by solution gel solution transformations and the cytoplasmic streaming of plasmazole and the pseudopodia. When the pseudopodium is about to form, the plasmogel is converted into plasmazole and then it grows towards the newly forming pseudopodia. On the contrary, at the posterior end, the plasmogel is to rapid convert into plasmazole when the flows forward. Backward to forward गसने खतर plasmogel and plasmazole यम पान changes करा। यानी बेस्ट यूजन एमोबॉइड मोमेंट यह एमोबॉइड हावान ड्यूरिंग द लोकोमोशन दौरान। नंबर 2 फ्लैजुलर मोमेंट पता सेल हंदिस एंडस पे सीलिया एंड फ्लैजुला लकट लकट वाल सीलिया एंड फ्लैजुला। अगर तुम हाइड्रा वुचमुत हाइड्रास टेंटेकल्स टेंटेकलन पे सीलिया या फ्लैजुलास या इग्लिना। इग्लिना freely moves freely in water, moves freely in water। यह फ्री आपस में मूव कर बाय द फ्लैजुला मोमेंट। flagella movement. For example, you can uglina atcha zot wall hi asan end aspect and is zeri ये movement kara yapar mis pakun as forward backward which takes place in the interior end of the body. Anterior end yus flagella sh asan mis aksar ch asan mis anterior end aspect hi im zari kara movement wave of the active end generated by the flagellum itself, and it passes in a sequential fashion from its base to its tip. The activity of the flagellum causes the body of the cause the body of the protozoans to rotate about axis. Axis must carry rotate. In a नीम अंदाज से रोटेट करा पक कपर आसिमिस मोमेंट करे तपर छकड़ी करे इशमिस हवा एक्सिस एग्लिना कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड एट द रेट ऑफ 0.5 इश फॉरवर्ड इज ज्यादा मूव करा 0.5 mm per second 0.5 सेंटीमीटर millimeter ekis seconds maz karan mm, which is approximately 4 times its body length. This body length has 4 guns zyada 4 times its body length. Besides, uglina can change its direction by the action of contractile myonemes which along the length of its body. When they contract the shape of the body as well, a direction is changed. Myonema, you change direction by the action of contractile myonema. Myonema is asa. Myonema. This is the current direction change. This is body much myonema asa. Myonema is which is along the length of its body. When they contact the shape of the body as well, direction changes. Three pata ciliary movement. Ish amaz wishna parameciums maz. Paramecium used to accept the ciliary movement. Cilia. It just academic body pet wall hi zel. Is the issue. The cilia present in the body beat diagonally backwards from left to right, causing the animal to rotate about its longitudinal axis. The same time, strongly beating oral grooves cilia tend to cause the anterior end of the animal to move in a sequential fashion about its posterior end. Paramecium move at a speed of about 1 mm per second. This paramecium chasa, this is body must cilia. Cilia is the rish movement kara, or speed chasa emsus about 1 mm per second. 8 millimeter per second is mazye movement kara. Initium body asa. For example, लकट जवेल वाल ही अमिस बॉडी मज यह cilia वन अम जरिए वन ciliary movement diagonally backward from left to right, causing the animal to rotate about its long axis. Diagonally backward from to left to right, left to फेरा पत दशुल कुन यदि फेरन diagonally about this longitudinal axis. At the same time, strongly beating up oral grooves cilia tend to cause the anterior end of the animal to move. My cilia yum chasa amis, amashimus harkat karan madad karan in the sequential fashion about posterior end. Or speed chasa amis 8 millimeter per second. 8 millimeter chia per second हिसाब स्पीड अमिस आसान अम पे मोमेंट ऑफ सीलेंट्रेट्स या मोमेंट ऑफ एनिलिड्स एनिमल यम जन लोकोमोशन मज पान प्रोटोजोन्स मज तो हाइड्रा normally remains attached to the substratum by a basal disc and maintain at the upper posture. However, for capturing the prey and change the location, it maintain upright the prey and to change its location, it maintain the upright posture. It experiences several types of movement. All these movements are caused by the contraction of the expansion of the epimuscular cells and nutritive muscular cells present in the body. Locomotion all these movements caused by contraction of the expansion. Body expand contract prey hydras. Looping in looping, floating, walking, climbing, gilding, swimming, expansion to contract. Yum ajib qismach moment usan hydra one prey ratnas doran karan. Cylindritis moment and cylindritis. Example hydra. Looping and looping. Floating zari, walking, climbing, gliding, looping and looping. While standing erect, hydra bends its body and fixes the tentacles to the substratum, and then release the attachment of the base disc to move the prey and to new site. By floating, sometimes hydra produce a bubble of gas secreted by basal disc cells, which help the animal to float on the surface of the water and positively carried from one place to another place by water currents. Water current in a waves of search float. Walking at a time of hydra become inverted and stand on its tentacles and moved in inverted. In a good such a walking tentacle but khada in inverted conditions, using its tentacles as if they were legs. As legs tentacles istimal hydra as legs. Climbing, hydra climbs by attaching its tentacles to some distance. Tentacles istimal climb kara. Agar nimis head ki tarf tentacles asan, ish kun sath wash trawan tentacles zariye karan और गसा tentacles पर ये खड़ा और अंच पति वादा बेकिस साइड्स ऐसा climbing शकाएं करे. Gliding, for movement a short distance along smooth surface, hydra may glide along the substratum. Glide kara mara mish substratum yus mumkin asa amis base pe gliding zari substratum yus glide kara ye substratum zari glide kara em zari shakaye move kare. Swimming, glide. Swimming, sometimes the animal free itself from the substratum. Substratum is free. Swimming in the water by undulating wave-like movement of the tentacles at the body. In a swimming, this free itself from the substratum is free. As per swimming, expansion and contraction. When hungry, remains attached to the substratum in water and frequently expands and contracts itself intervals. In a hungry as bashot as attached to the substratum in water and frequently expands. What expand? Body is set. Zatrate and contract itself at intervals. These movements help to bring food in contact with the tentacles along with the water waves. Pachimo tentacles are water wave must pan prey rataya pan guza hasil kara pan guza kyo. So ajab juzan movement and locomotion host per chapter. Movement of protozoa kit kanchikasa. Pat movement of annelids. Inshallah yash paga next question. Movement of annelids. Kit kanchikasa. Kit kanch locomotion kara. As a video sabda akilam. Thank you.